Here's how to hide WhatsApp chat without archive. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can hide WhatsApp chat without archive. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, if I go to WhatsApp, I'll see two options, archive and more. But if you press on archive, this will archive and you cannot simply hide it because anyone can see archive and they could go inside archive. But there is a new feature that you could do. But before that, you have to go to App Store and simply type in WhatsApp because you need to be on the latest version of WhatsApp. And here, as you can see, I also got an update, but I'm actually on a latest version. This update just got released yesterday, but you just need to be on the latest update version. But then just open up WhatsApp, and right over here, what you need to do is just open archive and swipe it right, just like that. And you just got to go ahead and press on the option of more, and then you'll see the option of log chat. Just go ahead and press on log chat and then press continue. Now it's just going to require Face ID, and here, as you can see the lock chat options. So if you press on lock chats, it's just going to ask for your Face ID, and then it will show you the contact. And yeah, this is the actually how you can hide WhatsApp chat without archive. So I hope this actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.